I'm Spencer Neal, Director of Operations for Finer Touch Construction. I'm here with Trent with True Size. They've invited us here today to tour their facility, and it's been a great experience so far. I'll have Trent explain what they offer.
So here at True Size, what we do is we take a floor plan that is regularly pretty small for anybody to see, and we blow it up in full scale so that a client can come in and walk through it and see all the details of the house that they're building and make changes as needed.
Yeah, and how do you guys do that?
That's a great question. What we do is we actually take the PDF that has already been presented to the client, and we have a virtual projection system that we can blow it up in full scale, and it's within 2 to 3 inches of real life.
So what are some of the benefits of being able to walk through in real life and see the floor plan?
You know, one of the best things that we've seen so far with clients is as they're walking through their plan, because they're seeing it in full scale, they're able to notice that a room is too small, or maybe a door is too close to the toilet, or even the kitchen sink, you know, is out of place, or it's not aligned with the island and different things. One of the other benefits that we're actually seeing is it allows them to avoid change orders that can actually become pretty costly to clients and delays the whole, you know, time frame of the build.
Okay, Trent. So can you tell us a little bit more about who is your target demographic and what are your plans for the future? Where would you like to see True Size go in the future?
Yeah, so currently a lot of our partners are going to be builders, architects, designers, any sort of designer really, interior designer, pool designers, landscape designers. There's even some benefits to commercial realtors, and really our goal is to support you as you're out with your clients. You guys are out heavily in the public. You're already working with you know, all sorts of different projects, and that's what we can do is we can come and support you. Some things that we're looking to do in the future as we grow actually is where True Size right now at our Tempe location, we currently focus on showing a floor plan in large scale. What we're actually creating right now and hoping to launch in the next couple of months in Scottsdale near the air park is to specifically focus on individual rooms. And what we're creating is again another projection center where we're going to have a design on 3 walls, and you can see full scale what cabinets would look like, and backsplashes and countertops and flooring on the ground. So really we'll focus on individual rooms at that moment. And honestly, sky's the limit with this. This is brand new in the United States. This technology is you know, really just being taught to the public right now, but we're already getting calls from all over the U.S. to open different locations. Focused right now on these first 2 in Arizona, but we'll see where it goes.
Trent, tell us how this started. What inspired you guys to do this, or what technology did you see out there that made you want to do something like this?
So my partner and I have actually been in the real estate industry over 20 years. He's a builder and I've been a realtor for years and years and years. And we actually saw a viral video, which I'm sure many great ideas are born from that. And we saw something similar to this, actually, that's you know, from Europe. And we started looking around the United States and just couldn't understand why it's not here. And it just clicked for us because we've been in this industry for so long. Mm-hmm. Just clicked. We knew this is something that you know, anybody building or you know, surrounding this industry really needs. And crazy enough, we began to build it in our garage. Many late nights. Our wives questioned us many times, which is half the story. And you know, about 6 months later, we finally were able to open up, and excited to be here and excited to be here with you guys right now.
Well, thanks for being here with us today. If you can like and subscribe to Finer Touch Construction, we would really appreciate it, and hope you tune in for more episodes.